Hello and welcome to ACN News. Tata Motors have offered Dasai discount for up to rupees 4 lakh and exchange bonus of rupees 50,000. After a long await, KTM have finally opened the bookings for its adventure bike KTM 390 Adventure in a territory of Royal Enfield Himalayan at a price of rupees 10 lakh. Talking about scooters, TVS NTORQ 125 have become the highest selling premium scooters in Nepal. After a struggle of more than 2 years, Harley Davidson have planned to exit India and closes its manufacturing facility in Bawal and also reduce the size of its sales office in Gurgaon. As a part of its Dasai offer, Vespa and Aprilia are allowing cash discount for up to rupees 50,000, 0% interest rate in financing facility, free for accessories and the best exchange valuation. Alright folks, that's all for today. For more auto news and updates, please follow us on our Instagram page and also do like and subscribe to our channel.